Hi, I'm Sarah with Carleton University, and in this video I'll be talking about the reference management software Zotero. Not unlike reference software such as RefWorks or Papers, Zotero allows you to collect, organize, cite, and even share your research. I find Zotero to be one of the most streamlined reference management tools, with its ability to automatically sense content within your web browser and its extremely simple to use plugin for Microsoft Word. So I'll just take you through some of the basics to get started. Go to Zotero's website at www.zotero.org and click on the download button. I'm using a Mac, so it may look slightly different if you're using a PC. You'll see that you can download Zotero for Firefox or download the software as a standalone application that will work with Chrome or Safari. I'm going to stick with Zotero for Firefox since this is what I'm using on this computer. Once you finish the download and restart Firefox, Zotero will appear either here at the top right or in your Tools menu here. Simply click the Zotero icon to bring up your library of research. Downloading an article or work to Zotero is extremely simple. Let's say you're researching articles in JSTOR's database. I'm currently researching the intersections between national parks, wilderness space, and Aboriginal land claims in Canada. So let's try the search, National Parks and Aboriginal Peoples. This article looks good. Click the article and look at the search bar of your browser. This little paper appears anytime Zotero recognizes something it can download. Click the icon and the paper saves to Zotero. I've put the paper directly in the folder I want it in. As you can see, Zotero's organization looks a lot like iTunes. I find the library can get pretty messy, so I try to download articles right to the folders where they belong. You can see all the citation information for the article on the side. This is what Zotero will use when operating as a citation tool with Microsoft Word. Since Zotero can recognize and download everything from research articles to news stories to audio and video clips, you will occasionally come across files that don't possess the proper metadata for Zotero to input when you go to cite the source. Zotero tells you when this data isn't available, in which case you'll have to input the necessary fields the old-fashioned way. If most of your research comes from academic databases like JSTOR, you'll more often than not be downloading files with all of the necessary metadata. Once you have a work saved to Zotero, you can add notes or additional attachments to the file, or link it to other related works. One of the great things about Zotero is that you can access your library on any computer, simply by syncing your Zotero account with the Zotero network. Another of Zotero's great features is its word processor plugin, which allows you to quickly cite the information you've collected in your library. The plugin is a separate download on the Zotero site, found on the same page as the software itself. It downloads right to Microsoft Word and, once complete, appears under this icon at the top. So I have some work in progress here, and I've paraphrased some information from that previous article we saw in national parks. Now we simply place the cursor where we want the citation and click the icon at the top. Click Set Document Preferences to set your citation style. As you can see, you can select any number of styles. You can even have Zotero download the citation guidelines from a specific journal you're writing for. I want this paper to be MLA style, so I select this, click Add Citation, and wait for the search box to pop up. Now I can start typing the name of the author or the title of the article, whatever information I can remember, and Zotero will search for the article. There it is, I click it, and there's my MLA citation. Once I've added citations, I can add my bibliography at any time, simply by placing the cursor at the end of my document and clicking Add Bibliography from the icon at the top. Zotero will then generate an MLA bibliography for me. Here it is. Of course, there can be some standard glitches, and you'll always want to run over the generated citations and bibliography carefully, especially if you're submitting for publication. I find that once you get the hang of it, Zotero can serve as a handy, simple-to-use, little-to-no-nonsense tool for organizing your research and streamlining your works cited as you write. There's lots more to explore with the software to determine a process that works for you. I hope this video helps you get started. Thanks for watching.